Have you ever wondered how some people make money online effortlessly while you're still searching for the right opportunity? Well, what if I told you that you could earn $240 in less than an hour using a completely free tool that most people don't even realize can help them earn? And no, this isn't about investing money or selling anything complicated. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to use this tool to create something valuable and sell it without any upfront cost. If you've been looking for a simple, beginner-friendly way to earn online, this is it. Let's dive in. Imagine this: 1 hour, $240, and zero investment. Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, that's exactly what I managed to do with a method that's completely free and easy to follow. If you've ever wondered how people are making money online without any prior experience, stick around, because in this video, I'm going to reveal a step-by-step method that you can replicate today. Here's the best part: I'm not selling you anything. Everything I'll share is completely free and actionable. Let's dive straight into it. To get started, we'll use a free tool called ChatGPT. It's an advanced AI tool that can perform tasks based on specific instructions or prompts. First, create a free account on ChatGPT by signing up with your email or using a Google, Microsoft, or Apple account. Once inside, you'll see a simple interface where you can input prompts to generate detailed outputs. For example, I asked ChatGPT to create a sugar-free carrot cake recipe, and within seconds, it produced a complete recipe. The better your prompt, the better the results you get. Here's where it gets interesting. Some people are making money selling these prompts. Platforms like PromptBase allow users to buy and sell creative and effective prompts, but you don't need to spend anything. I'll provide a free prompt template later in this video. Now, let's turn this into a money-making opportunity. Using the prompts, you can create comprehensive digital guides or tutorials. For example, I used ChatGPT to create a step-by-step guide on how to grow on YouTube. The result was a highly detailed and professional guide, which I enhanced by adding visuals and graphs. To make your guide even more engaging, you can create visuals using tools like Canva. For example, I generated a graph showing YouTube's revenue growth over the years and added it to my guide. After formatting everything neatly in Google Docs, I save the document as a PDF. This becomes a product you can sell or give away to attract an audience. Now, let's talk about where to sell or share your digital product. Platforms like Teachable are excellent for selling courses or digital downloads. Sign up for a free account, upload your PDF, and set a price. If you prefer a simpler option, you can use platforms like Upload Forever, where you earn money whenever someone downloads your file. Although the payout per download is smaller, it's a passive income stream. For those interested in affiliate marketing, platforms like PartnerStack or Audible allow you to promote software or products and earn commissions. For instance, Audible pays $5 for every free trial you generate, and additional earnings if the user makes a purchase. You can also create content around niches like YouTube growth or fitness, and share affiliate links to relevant tools and products. To drive traffic to your products or affiliate links, consider using Pinterest. Pinterest has over 800 million monthly users, making it a goldmine for free traffic. Create visually appealing pins using Canva and link them to your product or guide. Focus on a specific niche for better engagement, for example, health, personal finance, or online business. If you want to scale further, you can add value by consistently sharing guides, tutorials, and resources, and you'll have a recurring income stream. This method works because it solves real problems and provides value to others. Whether you're creating guides, promoting affiliate links, or selling products, always think about the specific problem you're helping people solve. If you're ready to take action, start with the steps I've outlined and let me know your results. And if you're curious about how I make money online, It's another free tutorial that you don't want to miss.